Welcome back to BS Garage, guys. We're back at it again. We're going to change the rear main cover. Always buy these as one piece. I've tried putting seals in the aluminum, and half the time they blow out, so I just buy the whole unit. This is the whole cover with the rear main seal in it. Comes with the bolts and the gasket. And when you get these, make sure this seals all the way down. Just go in here and look on the back side and make sure that seals all the way down. But, we're going to be putting this in today. We got to pull the transmission back out and the cross member. We're going to remove the old rear main seal plate. We're going to clean it all up, and then we're going to install the flywheel. And then before we put the transmission back in, we're going to put the 6AN fittings for the transmission lines, for the quarter lines in the transmission. Then we're going to bolt it all back up. I'm going to leave the torque converter unbolted and the cover off for now. I haven't got my transmission dipstick or anything like that. And the reason I'm leaving the torque converter unbolted is so we can start it and it ain't shooting fluid everywhere. So I want to hear this thing run. Let's get it going. I'm gonna try a little something different today. The last few videos I've been doing, I had you guys on a head mount camera. I noticed I moved too much, so I'm gonna put you on a tripod underneath the vehicle, and we're gonna try it that way. See how it works. But yeah, let's get started. I'm already about 6 cups deep. Let's get going. Nope, don't need that. As you guys can see, that's the rear main plate. You can tell it's been leaking, even for a low mileage vehicle. But so we're gonna knock that out. First things first is you got 2 oil pan bolts that's going into that rear main, and then you got the rest of the housing bolts here. Pop that out. We'll clean the gasket material off, which these are easy, nice to clean. Usually when I'm in here, I replace that dumbbell, but with me knowing this is a low mileage motor, I'm not gonna mess with it. I just like replacing these on any swaps. That way you don't have to pull it all back out and do it again. But So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to put you here where you can see it. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. Tell it's been leaking. Now, here's that oil drum I was talking about. Well, dumbbell, whatever you guys want to call it. It goes in right here. You can see it. Still don't look that bad. Don't even look at them cam bearings. Don't even eyeball it. Let's just keep going. Alright. Here's the old gasket. It's like an O-ring, piece of aluminum with O-ring on it. I like to put a little bit right here, through here, because when you take that rear main plate off, it disturbs the oil pan gasket. So I just like to throw some out here, and then I'll smear it with my finger. That way, we know we got some kind of seal here, and I'm not ripping it back out or whatnot have you. You guys know what I mean. No, I'm not using much. Just put a couple dabs on there and I'm just rubbing it in. Especially over in the corners where the seals meet. Right here's the new one. Now, you can kind of see these meet down here, but what we're going to do is we're going to just a dab here, a dab here, 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 and here, just to hold it. Get it where we want it. Get the new plate on. Torque everything down. Now, oh hell! It just went all over me. Got a little engine assembly lube. I like to run on the seals, just so we're not tearing them when we put it on. It just slides on. I know it's kind of hard to see me, but run a little quick slick in here. Always gotta get the bottom to go in a little bit first, and then you just slowly push in. You don't want to tear your new seal or the oil pan gasket. So they usually go right in, like that. It goes a little hard, don't be scared. I'll use this. You guys can see it. This is like an engine assembly lube. Permatex makes it. Man, this is some good stuff. check or torque on these two bolts here. I didn't think I had them that tight, so we're good there. Good there. And these are 22 foot-pounds. And always start in the middle. Right there. All on. Torque down. Now onto the flywheel and transmission fittings, and we'll put all this transmission back. And alright guys, we're back at it. So here's the flywheel. We'll get this up here and started. Get the bolt started. Put a little bit of blue Loctite on the back. Make sure you leave your little spacers on your nuts or your bolts here. I'll show you. I'll pull one out and show you. Well, I can't. It's already in there. There's like little spacers on these, like little shims. You keep to line it up. You want to keep them in there. Do not remove them off your bolt. Keeps everything aligned. So we got all of them started. We got a little bit of blue Loctite on them. Finish this up. Got we have the factory fuel line that's running down from the top, and we got it cut off to a 6AN compression fitting, so I need a stud to clamp the line from vibrating or rubbing. So I gotta put this stud in right here so I can hook the clamp to it. I can get it started here. Oh, come on now. There we go. Sorry, it's making all the noise. But